Welcome back to the channel, guys. Michael Jones here, and today I want to share with you how to promote Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program in 2021, guys. Step by step for beginners, guys. Now, my main goal by the end of this video is to share with you exactly um, some of the mistakes that you can avoid when promoting the affiliate program here with Legendary Marketer. So if you're excited about that, go ahead and do me a favor and give me a thumbs up, guys. Also, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because on this channel, I teach you how to start and grow an online business, how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. And the main goal of this channel is to educate, inspire, and motivate you to gain the time and financial freedom that you and your family deserve. So, real brief, I'll share with you what Legendary Marketer is, just in case you don't know. Legendary Marketer is an online marketing education, guys. And the goal that it does is it teaches you how to start and or grow an online business or an existing business that you may already have. It teaches you the personal and the business and marketing skills that you need in today's day and age, guys, on how to become an effective and legendary marketer. They have courses, guys. They have events and masterminds, and they have another thing I'm missing. They have courses, digital digital courses, masterminds, and coaching, guys, in that format. Now, this stands behind a nine-figure entrepreneur, which is Dave Sharp, guys. He's been featured on Forbes and on Entrepreneur. He's a 9-year digital marketing vet, and he's founded, created three multi-million-dollar companies, guys, from scratch, guys. He's a nine-figure online entrepreneur. Now, in order to promote Legendary Marketer Program, guys, you're going to want to scroll down to the bottom of the page here. You're going to want to go to legendarymarketer.com, guys, and I'll leave a link below this video, guys, but you can just go ahead and click to it if you want to. But you'll be able to go to legendarymarketer.com, guys. You want to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you want to click on the affiliates tab. When you click on that affiliates tab, you'll be taken to this page here, guys. Well, you will meet Dave Sharp, and you would have the option to sign up as an affiliate here. Now, you have two ways of signing up. You have a free way and you have a paid way. The free way, obviously, is free, and you will click this button here, and you can apply, and then there'll be a pop-up. If I click it, it's going to go directly to my back office because I'm already an affiliate for them. But when you click it, in case you're not an affiliate already, it's going to be a pop-up, and you're going to be able to fill out your form. It's going to be a form you're going to be able to fill out with your details on exactly how to sign up to promote this. Now, with the free way, they have pros and cons to this. Now, with the free way, you are able, the pro to this is you're able to sign up for free with Legendary Market. You don't have to pay to promote their program. You have to be approved, but you don't have to pay. The thing about it is that with the free way, you're only able to earn up to 30% on their products and services, versus the paid version, which is $29.95 a month, which is called their pro membership. You get everything that you need. You get everything you would get with the basic, and you get 20 to 60% commissions. You get all of the premium funnels that they have. You also get additional streams of income, guys, here. When you also get access to multiple streams of income that they promote on the back end as well, too. And you get an advanced affiliate training. So when you sign up, guys, I want to take you to where you would sign up, what you have access to when you sign up. So when you sign up to that and you get approved to it, you'll be taken to this page here, guys. You'll get access to the affiliate page here. And what this does is it's going to teach you how to crush it as a Legendary Marketer affiliate. You're going to get a welcome overview, guys, with our trainer, Matt Hessler. And he's also the Chief Marketing Officer with Legendary Marketer. You're going to get over the video over the shoulder video training, and walk an overview of the affiliate program here. You're going to be able to set up your sales funnel, guys, where you're going to be able to collect leads and follow up with them via email. Matt is going to walk you through all of this, guys. You're going to set your sales funnels up. You're going to set your email marketing up. You get email templates. You get everything you need to promote their product, guys. Their goal is to help you succeed with promoting their product. Obviously, they get a commission as they make money from when you promote this product. So they give you all of the tools and resources. And in return for doing so, when somebody purchases a product as the affiliate, we make a commission, guys. So what I want to do is I want to share with you step one is to sign up as an affiliate, which I went over. You want to sign up as an affiliate. Now, once you sign up as an affiliate, once again, You'll get all of this training here to help you succeed with the affiliate program. Now, another way that you can sign up with them as an affiliate, which is what I refer and recommend now that we sign up as an affiliate, we need to get the education that is required to make us an effective marketer. So my recommendation is step 2 is to join the 15-day business builder challenge, guys. And this challenge here is 15 days on how to start and build a high ticket, high profit business online with Dave Sharp, where he's going to hold you by the hand and he's going to step by step is going to share with you how to start this online business. And you're going to get this for $7, guys. $7, you're going to get 15 days of training from Dave Sharp, a 9-figure entrepreneur, on how to start your online business. So that's what I recommend is the second step, so that we don't just become an affiliate for this program without the proper education. At least with the 15-day business builder challenge, the $7 course, we have some level of education. We don't have the maximum level of education, but we have some level of education on how to go out there and really effectively become a marketer with Legendary Marketer here. So that's the second step. The third step is to drive traffic, guys. That's simple as that. We have to drive traffic. Now, when you go back to the affiliates page, you'll see at the bottom here, they teach you how to run Facebook ads, and they teach you also how to get free traffic. Now, my recommendation, if you're brand new, is to, and you're on a tight budget, to start out with free traffic, organic strategies. And if you're, my recommendation was to start off with TikTok, guys, create content. That's what this bonus training is to start off with TikTok. And I'm going to show you my TikTok account, guys. I just started TikTok it's about 10 days now I've been on TikTok, and I've been able to get, which is very small, but you're going to watch me blow up here when you stick with me and watch and follow my journey here. I got 32 followers starting out, but watch this thing blow up, guys. I've only been on here for 10 days, and I'm getting people that's viewing my account. I'm talking about the Legendary Marketer system here, talking about the 7-day business builder challenge, as you can see here, 15-day challenge for $7 there. I talk about how I was on unemployment and I started my online business. So I share my story. Legendary Marketer teaches you that with their training, guys. It is awesome, guys. I highly recommend partnering with a proven company that has robust products and services that teaches you how to become an effective marketer. So I'm getting tons of views on here, 100 views, almost 200 views on some of my videos. So I would say start off with TikTok. That's their bonus training here in the back office, guys, is to start off with TikTok. And unless you have the money for paid ads, then go ahead and go with Facebook ads. But in my experience and in my recommendation to you as someone that's looking to help you succeed with Legendary Marketer, I would avoid Facebook ads if I were you and you on a small budget, especially if you're just starting out and don't have the marketing education that's going to be required to convert those cold leads into warm leads and into sales. So once you drive traffic, guys, via YouTube, I also use YouTube. So I want to share with you. I create videos on YouTube, and as you can see, like obviously the video that I'm doing now, I have another video right here where it's Legendary Marketer Review. It's the 15-day challenge, guys. As you can see here, I've been able to create 816 views on this channel. On this video, on this one video created 2 months ago. I've got almost 1,000. I can't wait. I'm approaching 1,000 views here, guys. But that's 2 months from now when I created this video, and I've generated leads from that, and I've generated sales from that. So if you're not afraid to get on YouTube and create YouTube videos, that'd be a great way. If you can do TikTok videos, that'd be a great way. All you have to do, guys, is go in here and you can type in Legendary Marketer, and you'll get a ton of ideas. Let me show you here. So if I scroll out of here, you can see Legendary Marketer 15-day challenge, Legendary Marketer Review 2020, Legendary Marketer 15-day challenge review, Legendary Marketer tutorial, Legendary Marketer business blueprint. How does it work? You have a ton of ideas on creating content that can drive your prospects who's already asking for these questions here. The people are already searching this in there. I got a free Chrome extension tool that tells me how many times somebody searches a certain keyword here. This is a free Chrome extension. I actually think it's paid, to be honest. They have a free version and they also have a paid version. But I'll talk about that more in other future videos, but I want to just share with you how you can just go to YouTube and type in Legendary Marketer and they auto research, and you can type in, like, for instance, Legendary Marketer Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program, Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program Review, Legendary Marketer Blueprints. You can erase that A and type in Legendary Marketer B, Legendary Marketer Blueprint, Legendary Marketer Business Builder Challenge. So you have multiple ways of people that are asking these questions where you can create content on YouTube and generate views and leave a call to action and get them to click on your link and join a 15-day challenge. And that's how you're able to make money on YouTube. You can create content on TikTok where you're able to drive traffic to your business. So those are the ways that I recommend you doing it, guys, to avoid losing the shirt off your back literally by paid ads, unless you literally got it like that to do. Paid ads going to take time to master and to learn. And as a beginner, guys, I think it's crucial to go ahead and start with organic traffic, because you're able to get out there and people tend to know who you are after following you for a while, and you're able to you get a higher conversion rate with organic traffic. Anybody that's running paid advertising, they'll tell you that the majority of their sales, majority of their sales come from organic traffic right now, because that's where it's at right now. They're able to build an audience. So I say, as a beginner, start off with organic traffic. YouTube is a great way. TikTok as a beginner is even a better way as a beginner. And then you can transition to YouTube. Now, as a bonus, guys, I want to show you how you can clone my high-ticket affiliate business here. Real quick and brief, I want to share with you exactly what this looks like. So this is my opt-in page, right? They would click this start button here. They would enter their name and email address. They would drop down into my autoresponder where I can follow up with them. And when they give me their name and their email address, they're going to be taken to my second step in my funnel, and you're going to learn all about this and what all this means. If you don't know, you'll learn all about this when you take the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. But this is my bridge page here. This is my 2-page website, my 2-page funnel. They're going to come here. They're going to watch this brief video where I share my story and why I've decided to start an online business, why I've decided to partner with Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program and the Legendary Marketer Dave Sharp. And it's also going to be my video on here. It's going to be yours when you decide to get access to this. Got 2 more video testimonials on here that I put on here, guys, that's going to help encourage your prospects that come through your funnel. And you got 3 testimonials on here. You got your own, and you got these 2 testimonials. These are going to help you in a great way with conversion rates. Now, when they click this button here to get started, they're going to be taken to Dave Sharp's sales page video where he's going to sell them. They're going to watch this video here, and they're going to get started, and they're going to take the challenge for $7, guys. And on the back end, as they in the system, you're going to be able to earn up to $2,850 per click if you join at the pro level. If not, you're only going to be able to earn 30% on that product sale. So that's why you will want to join at the $30 level if you're looking to join that. But you're going to get access to this when you decide to join me. I want to show you what this looks like here. I'm almost done with putting this together here. I just got to put this video on how to do this step by step. But step 1 is, if you hadn't already done so, is to join the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, guys. Step 2 is to import this funnel with the 1-click import here. You're going to be able to import this exact funnel. These steps that you're seeing here at this page here, you're going to be able to go in there. I'm going to show you how you can take my picture out and put your picture in. You're going to also get this page here. You're going to want to keep these 2 videos here. You're going to want to remove mines, and I'm going to show you how to put yours in. And then I'm going to show you how to integrate all of these pages here. You're going to get that step-by-step on how to do all of that with this training here, with these steps that I'm going to be sharing with you. I'm going to give you the bridge page script on what to say. If you don't know what to say on the bridge page, what do I say? I don't know what to say. I'm going to give you a Google document with the bridge page script on what you should say to your prospects when they come to your second page, and before they get sent over to the affiliate product with Dave Sharp. I'm also going to give you the email follow-ups that I'm using in my business that's helping me generate leads and even sales I'm going to share those emails with you, so you're going to get those same exact emails that I have here. It's going to be a Word document with the emails that I have for you. You're going to be able to copy and paste those same email sequences, and you can be able to send them out to your leads here. So guys, if this is something that you're going to be interested in, I'll leave a link below the video here for you to get access to that. You can take the 15-day business builder challenge. Once again, guys, it's a $7 challenge. That's my best way to get started here with this challenge, because you're going to get access 15 days on how to start your online business, and you can become a better marketer with the affiliate program. So this is how you join it. And I want to thank you for watching this video, guys. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and leave them in the comments below, guys. I'll get back to you. I also want to say, if you're getting any value from this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up once again, guys. And be sure to click that bell icon, because I'm coming before you every single day, guys. I'm dedicated and devoted to coming before you every single day to help you, give you tips and tricks on how to become an effective marketer and make money online with Legendary Marketer, guys. So if you're interested in that, be sure to click that bell icon so you're notified of all the future videos that I upload then. God bless you guys. Stay tuned with me, guys. I want you to follow me along my journey. I want to be with you along your journey. And I want to say God bless you, and see you in the next video.